So I had a package arrive. It's actually come from the Netherlands, from the Hypo store, or Hypo store, whatever it's called. Anyway, I'm going to open it. Here. I'm going to do the packaging. Need 2 hands. Alright, there we go. Cut the top open. I'm in the barn, so the fans are gone. Alright, and there it is. A nice little thank you card from the Hypo store, whatever. And this is what I got. Oh, I can't get it out with one hand. Hang on. Alright, so this is what I ordered. It is a new riding helmet. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's got nice packaging. I like these these little bags that the helmets come with now. Back in the day, they didn't have bags, so that's kind of cool. Alright, let's see if we can get this out of the packaging. Let's see my new helmet. Get the packaging off. Alright, there we go. This is why people pre-open their stuff for their YouTube channels, because it's a pain in the ass to get it undone. Alright, so it's all wrapped up nice and pretty. There it is. Look at that. Look at that helmet. That is a beauty. Alright, now let's see if she fits. Okay, let's see if she fits. I hope she does. Took a couple weeks to get here. Oh, wow. Nice. Wow, that's a good fit. Alright, super stoked about my new helmet. Beautiful. That is a beauty. Love this. Feels good. It's a small. Super stoked.